Okay, this is video for Cambridge IGCSE Physics Paper 2 Multiple Choice Question extended 062522 May June 2022. Actually we have 45 minutes to solve this. Okay, we try to solve one by one. Yup. IGCSE wajib ambil semua nggak sih? Number 1 is very small value of which quantity are measured using micrometer screw gauge. Time, no, this is for time is used stopwatch. Pressure also no, moment also no, but distance. A man stands next to railway track. Train traveling 40 meters second takes 2 seconds to pass the man. Yes. What is length of the train? Okay, this is same thing with distance v times t. So 40 times 2 equals to 80 meter d. Then question 3 is which quantity is equal to acceleration? Area under distance time graph, area under speed time graph, gradient of distance time, or gradient speed time graph. This is gradient, gradient of speed time graph. Gradient means delta v over delta t. So this is gradient when the graph is like this one. This is velocity in meter per second, and this is time second. So the gradient is acceleration. Then question 4 is on the moon all objects fall with the same acceleration. Which statement explain this? On the moon all objects have same weight. No. The moon has more gravitational field strength than Earth. The weight of an object is directly proportional to the mass. Yes. The weight of an object is inversely proportional to its mass. Weight means mass times gravitation. So all objects have the same weight? No. On the moon has smaller gravitational field strength than the Earth. Wait. This is same acceleration. The weight an object directly proportional to the mass. This is correct, yeah. The weight inversely not. So either B or C has smaller gravitational strength than the Earth. So actually, G on the moon, yeah, it's about 1.6. G on the Earth, it's about 9.8. Yeah, in meter second square, So this is correct also, yeah. The moon has some gravitational field strength means acceleration. The weight of I think they have to answer, yeah, smaller gravitation than proportional to its mass. This is correct also. Okay, either B or C. Let's check question 5. A measuring cylinder contains 30 centimeter cubic of liquid. Some more liquid added in until level reach 50 centimeter cubic mark. The reading on balance increases by 30 grams. The density of the liquid. Density mass over volume. They have mass 30 gram and then volume is 50 minus 30, yeah, so 20. So it's about 1.5, yeah, gram per centimeter cubic. 1.5. Question 6. An object moves constant speed around the circular path. Which statement is correct? Constant speed on the circular path. Resultant force act on the object outward from the center of the circle. No. The resultant acts on the object in the plane. Resultant force on. There is no resultant acting on the object because it's moving constant speed. This one actually, yeah. So when the constant speed, they have acceleration 0. Yeah. So when the acceleration 0, total force equals to ma. Since this is a0, so total force equals to 0. That's it. Thank you. Question 7. A beam is pivoted at one end as shown. Okay, pivot 40 cm. They have weight 6.0 Newton. The beam weight 6.0 Newton and its weak act on the point X 40 cm from the pivot. A force of 4.0 Newton is balanced horizontally. In which direction and where is 40 Newton applied? So, 4 Newton, maybe this is 6.0 times 40 equals to 4.0 times something. Yeah, so this is, can cancel 10. 4.0. Okay, wait. Oh, this is 6.0. Okay. 6 meter. Oh, I see. This is 6 meter from the pivot means 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter from the pivot means 6 from the X. Yeah, from the X 20 centimeter to the. So this is vertically 4.0, yeah, and then they have 20 centimeter here. Vertically upward, this one, D. The diagram shows two forces acting on the right angle to each other. 30 Newton, 40 newtons, one scale is 1 Newton, 40 is 4 and 3, 5 Newton from R equals to 3 square plus 4 square is equals to root of 25. 5.1 Newton. Which statement describes the impulse acting on the object? Impulse is the change in kinetic energy of object. Impulse is change of momentum of the object. Impulse is rate change force acting on the object. Impulse is rate of change momentum of impulse is force times delta t. Force is ma. Yeah. This is delta v per delta t. Yeah. So we can cancel about delta t. So this is m delta v. It means impulse is change of momentum. Yeah. B. Number 10. A ball of mass 0.16 kg is moving forward at the speed 0.50 meter second. A second ball of mass 0.1 kg is stationary. The first ball strikes the second ball. The second ball moves forward at speed of 0.5. Where is the speed? What is the speed of first ball after collision? Okay, we use m1 v1. M force is 0.6. Forward speed 0.5 plus second 0.1, but stationary, so 0 velocity. The first ball strikes second ball. The second ball moves forward at speed of this mass 1, 0.16, velocity 1 after collision, and 0.1 mass 2 times 0.5. So this is 0.08 is 0.16 plus 0.5 of V1. So V1 means 0.08 minus 0.5 and divided 0.16. Oh, sorry. 0.16. .6. Oh, wait. Ball mass 0.7 moving forward. Yes, that's correct. 0.1. The first ball strikes the second ball. The second ball moves forward at the speed 0.5. Second 0.1. Oh my god, 0.05. So 0.08 minus 0.05 divided 0.16. 0.18. Oh, this one. Number 11. A tennis ball is dropped from position 1. It falls vertically onto hard surface at the position 2. Which energy changes have taken place between position 1 and position 2? Gravitational potential energy to kinetic and changed into elastic or string, because they have bounce back. Question 12. A boy holds onto a bar and pulls himself until his chin is level with the bar. He raises himself through 40 centimeters in 0.5 seconds. The weight of the boy is 500 Newton. What is average power he produces as he raises? This is in watt, power. Oh, I know, this is velocity. 40 centimeters into 0.5 seconds. P equals to F times V, force times velocity, or force, this is distance, or x per t. So we have 500 Newton force, and this is 0.4, because in centimeter we convert into meter, but it's 0.5. 4.5 500 times 4 divided by 400 watt. This is 400. So here, okay, check question 13. The diagram shows a deep reservoir formed by a dam. On what does the pressure at X depend? By depth, length, surface area. By depth, because pressure equals to rho g h. H means depth, density, gravitational acceleration, and also depth. The condition of sample of gas change into stage. Stage 1, increase temperature at a constant volume. Stage 2, increase volume with no further change in temperature. Withdraw blood pressure after each stage is correct. Pressure compared to, I see. Increase temperature at a constant volume. Increase volume. Increase volume. Increase volume means temperature. Pressure is. Wait. Sample gas change. Increase temperature means pressure is increase. Stage 1, increase of volume with no further change temperature. This is decrease. So C. You remember about P, V per T is constant, so it means P proportional with T and P inversely proportional with volume. So this is the condition 1. This is increase and this is decreases. That one. Okay, 15. Small pollen particles. Small pollen particles are suspended in water. When fed with a microscope, then pollen particle can be seen to be moving about irregularly. What causes this movement? When small pollen particles. With bomber. Wait. This is not about temperature, this is about density. Pollen are being bombarded by heavy particles of the water. This is A. Okay, question 16. Question 16 is about the diagram showing liquid in glass temperature. Which physical properties of the matter is used to measure temperature? Expansion of the liquid. Yeah. Then 17. A block of lead mass 500 gram is at the melting point. The specific latent heat of ocean lead 23 kilojoule per kilogram. How much energy is required to completely melting? Oh, this only Q equals to M L, yeah, this is 0.5, yeah, in kilogram, and this times 23, so equals to, this is in kilojoule, yeah. So with equals 11. What? 11.5 kilojoule. This one, B. A glass contains of ice. During on warm and humid day, water starts to form on the outside of the glass. Which the name of the effect was? This is condensation. One end of copper bar is heated to a high temperature. Which mechanism is responsible for the transfer thermal energy to other end of the copper bar? Copper is solid, so this is about vibration. The latter no, but movement, yeah, movement, and if the particle is like gas or liquid, because they can move, but copper is not, they can. the movement of high energy electrons along thermal energy. Yes, this one B. 24 cubic copper containers are filled with water. The surface of all the containers are painted black. Okay, two of containers have side length 20 centimeter and the two containers have side 40 centimeter. Two of containers contain 80 degrees Celsius and other two contains water at 30 degrees Celsius, which contain radiant energy at the lowest rate. Wow. Oh, lowest rate is radius or Q over T, proportional with area, and then temperature power 4. This is actually for Boltzmann equation, Boltzmann theory. So lowest rate means lowest temperature and lowest area. Okay, continue to question 21. The diagram shows wave displacement and this is distance. Betrayal is correct. Amplitude 1.0 centimeter. About this one. And then wavelength is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So B. This is amplitude, and this is wavelength. 22. The water wave source has frequency of 4.0 Hz. What the speed of the wave? This is 3 centimeter is amplitude, but we don't use this. But we use this one. 36 centimeter. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 wavelength. So 3 wavelength equals to 36. So 1 wavelength equals to 12 centimeter. So when they have frequency for Hertz, velocity is lambda times frequency. 12 times 4 equals to 48 centimeter per second. That's it. Question 23. What is it? Student use the AI to look at image in the plane mirror. Okay, plane mirror. Objects are placed on the line XY. Yes. Which object give rise to image that can be seen by the eye at E? We can see from R, we can see from S, we can see from Q, we can see from T, so QRST. On the E, on the U and P we can see it, so B. 24. An object is placed into front of converging lens of focal length 15 cm. Which row describe the image of the object? With converging lens, focal length. Okay, let's say converging lens. converging line is positive length. This is 15, yeah. This is R. They have oh, distance 40, distance 30, distance 20, and distance 10. So when 40 is real, not upright, yeah, it's not correct. When 30 not virtual, inverted, not enlarged. Then when 20 is in here, so wait. Real, inverted, what? When 10, I think the correct one is D. 10 is so enlarged. Sorry. So sorry, upright, yeah. So okay, D. 25. The speed of light in the air is 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meter second. The critical angle for this transparent material is 37. What is speed light to plastic material? Wow. Wait. 1 over V on the air sine 37 equals to 1 V on the material sine 90, yeah, because they have critical angle since this is 0, this is 1. So Vm means sine 37 divided V. Wait. Sorry. Divided V on the air divided sine 37. So this is same thing with 3 divided sine 37, 4.98, about 5, this one. So this is same thing with 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 divided sine 37. Okay, that's it. Number 26. Which type of wave are produced by television remote controls? Infrared wave. 27. Which statement correctly compares radio wave and X-rays? Radio wave. Radio wave is here, yeah, radio wave, and X-rays, and this is frequency up, frequency down, or lambda inversely smallest, and then lambda, this is highest. Radio have longer wavelength and greater speed in the vacuum. Speed is constant, yeah. So this is not correct. The speed, yeah. Speed is constant. Speed, it's about 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So they asked me about greater speed, is not correct. Radio wave have longer wavelength, yes, and same speed. B. 28. The diagram shows the magnetic field around three objects P, Q, R placed close to each other. So which rows so not only short, not short. Oh, that's not short, not short, short. Copper. Oh, iron is short, not because iron is metal, yeah. 29. A negatively charged rod broke near to an uncharged metal sphere that placed on the insulting stain. Which diagram shows the distribution of charge on the sphere? Oh yeah, so positive in here, yeah, negative in here. B. Yeah. Number 30, a resistor has potential difference 12 volt across current 0. What is resistance? R equals to VI. 12 divided 0.6, 20 ohms. Diagram I, resistor R, and for the time t, the potential difference PD across the resistor is V. Which equation give power P dissipated in the resistor? B is IV. Okay, 32. What is that? Oh my god. A 4 circuit show its content for diodes. In which circuit the direction of the current in the resistor was from the red terminal to the black terminal? Red terminal to black terminal. From the red it's not correct. From the red, oh, it's correct, to the black. This from black to red, yeah, this current to go there. And this one, oh, this is circle, it's not correct. This circle also not correct. So the correct one is A. Yeah, this is there, go there, and then yeah, okay. Question 33. The diagram shows a battery connected to a potential divider and two lamps P and Q. P and Q. The slider on the potential divider move from X to Y. The resistor which rows show effect of the brightness each lamp. So yeah, change. Wait. On the X is with the brightness P. P is brighter and this is dimmer, yeah. So B. Because on the Q they have potential different little bit smallest than, because they have potential divided in the XY. 24. What is truth table for logic gate shown by the symbol? This is AND gate, yeah, AND gate with not, so same thing with NAND gate. When N, yeah, so when the input let's say 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0, oh sorry, 0 1 0 1, when the AND gate, yeah, this is become 0 0 also, 0 also, this is 1. Oh sorry, yeah. I repeat again, when this is input X and Y, 0 0 becomes 0 because N, yeah, 0 1 0 also, 1 0 0 1 1 1 because N is when 1 when the both of them is 1, yeah. And then not N, yeah, this is reversible of this one, so this is 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 D. Okay, 35. We still have 6 number. A coil XY is wound around a cardboard tube. When the S pole of a magnet is pushed into the coil XY, the galvanometer deflects to the left. Okay. Deflect to the left means what other move the magnet will produce deflection to the left? This is deflect to the left. This is same thing, yeah. Oh, we only change both here, yeah, move here, the position same thing, yeah, this is north and this is south, and move out, this one B, yeah. Yes. 36. 5 more number. Which transformer can be changed to 140 volt input into 15? Oh, you see this is 24 to 240 to 15, something ratio in 240 divided 15, 6 times, yeah. So let's check about 6 times. 800 divided 4 is 20, yeah, this is 20 times, yeah, so not correct. 240 divided 15 also, this is I think with 2400 divided 15 equals to 160 times, not correct also. This one 1000 divided 25 40 times, no, this one 1200 divided 75 16 times, yeah. So here same thing with this one D. So ratio between voltage, same thing with ratio in terms of coil, yeah. 37. The diagram shows a current carrying wire in a magnetic field. Oh, in which direction the force acting on the wire? We use Fleming's left hand rule. So downward, toward to the bottom of the toward to the here. Yeah, this is when the current on there, and then this is B, magnetic field, and so force is goes down. That's it. Okay, one more page, 3 more number. A scientist when asked to separate the following equation into 2 categories, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Which equation does show nuclear fission? Fission is split into other nucleon. This one. This is fusion. This not correct. This is also fusion. This is fission, split into other ions, into other nuclear. So 1 and 4. C. (39) Which radioactive source is used a smoke alarm system, and what is the reason for this alarm? Wait. Alpha, gamma. Wait. Alpha. Cause most ionization of the air. Yeah. For the ionization, alpha more than beta more than gamma. But for the speed, it's gamma more than beta and more than alpha. This is for ion, and this is for speed. Last number 40. A beam of alpha particle and beta particle is incident a right angle to an electric field. Which statement about the deflection of the particle in the field is correct? Alpha particle and beta particle is deflect, but gamma is not deflect. Because gamma is electromagnetic wave alpha, because alpha is helium nuclei, beta is electron particle, and gamma is electromagnetic wave. So alpha and beta it will be deflect, but gamma not deflect. So alpha beta do not alpha particle. This is correct, opposite direction, because alpha is positive charge and beta is negative charge, deflect in the opposite direction. So the answer is B. Okay, done. 40 numbers.